Guess who's back? But you never left. Yes, I did. I rose from the dead.
Okay, so I finally went to the barber. So now what I'm gonna do is color my hair. This is the color I'll be doing. And yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking and show y'all what I'm about to do. Be back when I'm done. Okay, so right now I'm gonna get the bleach and I'm gonna put it in the bowl. Then I'm gonna get some developer volume 30 and I'm just gonna pour that right in there. Then I'm gonna get this thing and mix it until it gets like not too watery but not too hard, like a pasty consistency almost. And I used the last little bit of that, so I had to mix that with 20. And I just go over my hair. I just got a haircut, so that's why my hair looked like that. And I thought it looks like a boy, so that's why I'm bleaching it and coloring it. And I'm just gonna put that all over my hair like I'm doing right now. That's what I'm doing, just making sure I get everywhere. And I have a road on the side of my head. That's what we call it over here, a road, like the line on the side. So I'm making sure that I get right on the top of the road and right underneath the road. So I'm just making sure all my hair is saturated with the bleach. And I am gonna make a mistake in a couple of seconds. As you can see, I'm getting very close to my road. And what they do, they cut the road with a razor, so my hair is actually has little micro cuts and stuff in it. And then they put the barbering razor, whatever the hell you call it, there. So you know, just watch, what the hell I am gonna do in a little. Where the hell it is? Why do it yet? Why do they have all this even in here? This is wild, fam. This is really, really wild. Okay, so right here, as you can see, I'm putting it over the road. And listen to me. I just put it in. I freaking gone and whoosh the brush straight in there, and that burned like a motherfucker. Let me tell you, I saw stars when I ran that bristle over that cut. Listen to me. Don't be like me. Don't put it over your road when you just get a fresh cut. Wait, if you're gonna do that, just wait a couple days. So all I'm doing is, after I just almost get sent to Jesus, I am going to wait for it to turn that color. And then I'm gonna, while I'm waiting on it to bleach to lighten up a bit, I'm gonna get some conditioner, put it in the bowl, and then put my blue hair dye in the bowl, and I'm gonna mix it. And now I just showing you how it's supposed to look. I just rinsed my hair out, and I was trying to figure out if I was recording or not. I didn't even realize I left it recording. And now this is the color that it came out. I should have left it on, but I think because I mixed it with 30 and 20, it didn't lift as fast as I think it would, and I'm very impatient, so yeah. So I'm just gonna have to live with that color. So all I'm doing is just drying it off and everything. And I'm gonna put the first layer of blue in my hair. I say first because, listen to me, I freaked this up so much times, like, yo. Anyway, I just covering up with the blue and making sure everything's saturated. As you can see, I have a bunch of patches, still yellow, blondish from not covering it with scents and things like that. But yeah, I washed that out, and y'all, I was so freaking pissed. So what the frick is this? What? Listen, I was like, wow, this ain't happening. So I did just the plain color by itself. I put in the bowl and I bent back over my hair to try to save this disaster, because this color is horrible. This is how my hair looks like after a month of having a blue in my hair. So I'm like, wow, this ain't happening. So I just went over with the plain color, and I liked this color much better. So I was so happy. That's my daughter Dawn. She's 1 and she's telling everybody hi. Now I'm just taking some Eco Styler gel and I'm just gonna do like a quick little style, and that's some brushes and combs I did. So I just put it through and defined some of my curls and slick down my edges, and that's what I did. Thank you for watching. Okay, so this is the end of my video. This is the final result. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And don't forget to always be you because nobody else can. And don't go broke. Pop stand for these niggas.